Good morning, everyone. This is Revan Wood. I go by Sage FT. You're watching the live trading desk. Wow, what an evening! What an evening! I don't know if there's much to do. Ooh. All right, first thing off, let's smash that like button. Second of all, hit that subscribe button, turn your notification bells to on so you know when we are streaming. Tomorrow we'll be streaming at at about 1:45 p.m. All right, let's dive right into this. First thing we're going to notice is we are wide range, not narrow range, not outside narrow range, the widest range of the last 7 trading days. Okay, therefore, we have no Keltner channels. We'll just use them as guide rails. And now, the next thing that we're going to notice is we're sitting at all-time highs. 46.50 are next in the Mancinis. If we go below there, it's 02. Yeah, it's a big gap. Okay, so as we see here, we broke and ran. And boy, was it a thing of for the ages. Oh my goodness, huh? Okay, we're up 2.2% on the morning. We've got the bond market right now, matter of fact. 30-year note, 30-year bond auction right now. Here it goes. Here it goes. There it goes. Just released. So ask ourselves, did they get the draw on lick here? Because we went all the way down to 00s, to 02, to the tick even. Yeah, I don't know. I haven't touched anything. Raise the gain on what? I haven't touched anything. If I do it on Elgato, it'll go into the orange. Yeah, if I do it on if I do it on OBS, it'll go into the orange. Here, let's try this. Lock it in. Lock it in. I haven't done anything. Yeah, there's no, yeah. If you're new, welcome. And that was the 4 votes he needed, right? Yeah, I have the 15-minute up. Right now we're in premium, so there's really not a whole lot to narrate here.
Oh, I get what you're saying. I got it from here, guy. Wink. No, 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 no. Why won't you listen to me?
All right, what we need is the KISS chart to work back in our favor here. That 200 simple is kind of downsloping. FNA Giovanni. FKA, FNA, FKA. Would there be any settings in YouTube that would fix that? I don't think so. Hmm. Oh man, yeah. Everyone's IRA should be at an all-time high. Isaiah, are you here? I've got a treat for you. Okay, hold on. I've got a treat for you. My IRA is bulging at all-time highs. All right, so here's your treat, Isaiah. How do I zoom in? I don't know how to zoom in. Looks like they're going to take this thing higher. Here's your 46 Mancini. Okay, so what it says, and I don't know how to make it bigger, Isaiah, but maybe you can oops, pause it and then take a screenshot and zoom in. Hold on. Let me see if this works. Here, I'll put it over in Discord, and then we can put it. Here, I'll make it bigger. Hold on 1 second here. Okay. Okay, here we go. Okay. This could be great, but we're up significantly from where I've entered my most profitable positions. Seems like we could be buying weakness and seeing what happens, right? So there's your answer for real. Hey, 30-year bond auction looks successful to me, folks. Looks successful. Let's see if they take this thing higher. Real. REAL. My wife is cooking dinner. Damn, it smells good. ETA on a rate increase. Why do you waste your mental bandwidth asking these questions? Sir, it means nothing, right? The rate increase happened overnight. Look at your TLT. Look. Rates went way higher overnight. Let me pick the right chart. Hold on. Rates skyrocketed overnight. Look at this. That's the repricing that slaughters your grandparents' retirement, right? The yield, the increase in yield doesn't help them at all. What they see is lower money in their account than they had last month when they look at their statement. For us, because we're on the buying side of the bonds, it's a once in a lifetime opportunity. Let's zoom out and see where we are, shall we, fam? Good. Oh, but wait, there's more. Okay, we're down 50%. This is where we like to start the accumulation because they're still paying us 31 cents every 30 days. Back up the truck. Yeah, just keep nibbling. Yep. Folks, don't make it all one position. Nibble. Even if you buy one share every dollar down, nibble. All right. New Mancini, let's lock in. I don't know how many trades I'm going to take this afternoon, if any. I'm absolutely exhausted, right? $73 if ES wants it to break out now. $59.20 and O2 are supports. Thank you. Hey Siri, is Donald Trump a felon? I think I did buy under 90 here. I think I got I am up just under 2%, just like the market is. $89.67 Phil. Let's get it. 89.67. Look at that at the absolute botonium. Giovanni, there he is, the man, the myth, and the legend. All right, your next target is 63.75. You can see it right here. Look at that. They said there's no frickin' way. They said there's no way. Hold the beer. Yeah. All right, your 2 minutes starting to turn up. Turn up for what? Yeah, but Andy, the way that you have to look at this is you don't know if it's going to go to 75, right? So that's why we nibble in. Nibble, nibble, nibble. Now 20 we have 20 years till we need this money. 15, 20 years. Right. So what we want is interest rates to go to 9, 10, 11, 12%. I know that everybody's like, "Oh god, it's going to crush the world." Look, the world is already crushed due to high prices. People don't get that. The think about this. What crushes you more? Inflation, high inflation, or high interest rates? Oh, the weird thing is they took Intel out of the Dow and locked in Nvidia. Well, why did that take so long? Because Intel's in the gutter. If Isaiah's buying it, it's gutter trash. Let's reminisce on it. Let's take a look. Oops. $24. Ouch. Oh yeah, that's trashy enough to own. It's a little out of my price league now, but yeah, that was classy and trashy and classy at the same time. Now, you don't have to be smart. You have to recognize the pattern, right? He took the rules of the Nick Tudormore pattern. Oh, here we go. Here's his Tesla chart. Well, that's not Tesla. What the hell? Oh, Stellantis. It's STLA, not TSLA. Hmm. Do we own any of that? Isn't Stellantis about to go bankrupt? Oh, that's trashy enough to own right there. That's trashy enough to own. Mm-hmm. 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 It's hard to buy up here. Buy at a high price and sell for higher is not with the business that we're in. Show me Claritin, folks. How many people we have in this stream? Let's see if this stream's worth even keeping on here. 31. Hmm. 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 Yeah, and Isaiah, it doesn't matter, right? It's like when people, and Andy, you'll recognize this. It's like people say, "Oh, you got lucky on the river." No, to get lucky, you have to be in the hand. $500 offered at 50. All right. Any questions? Let's just hang out for a little bit, then we'll cruise. There's not enough people in here to warrant the stream remaining. So maybe we'll run a regular stream tomorrow. You mean you don't like the days when you point out things that are not needed pointing? Sorry. I didn't mean to piss in your Cheerios, Andy. Jeff of a very safe. Mucho. You know, if I take any trades, I'll tell you what, I will do it in the micros. Yeah, I will do it in the micros. I have no problem with that. Everyone draw your high to high from your all-time high. That is a line that everyone will be watching. And we are at it right now. That's what's giving us this bumping up against it. And yet it has not reached a new all-time high. Let's take a look at. Let's go ahead and take a look at that. NQ. Oh, so gross. So gross. It's going to need a huge Tesla and NVIDIA move. Okay, all-time high, 20983, 983.75. Just 100 points. That's it. What's 100 points between friends? Yeah, so the retest of the low to low, or excuse me, high to high trend line is where he looks for the next signal, not an ad, if that makes sense. Okay, watching 47, but I have a feeling that if this is going to go up, they're going to take it up before the bar closes. Yeah, it's usually the break. Now, the only time that we add, yeah, look at this thing going. Your target is 50-50. Unfortunately, there's nothing we can do about it, right? It's just going to go without us. So the thought is, if it has a tangible product like Intel, then we would add. But let's say a company like realreal.com, it's a break and kill. Oh, I don't know how it got muted. Pothole at 47.25 is all I said. Oh, this is 3 ticks. This is 2 ticks from my target here, so I can't really just jump in. All right, there's a buyer at 975. There's your 50-50s. I am not going to place an order. There's your 50-50s order. Business completed at 50, 50, 50, 50, 50, 50. There they go, folks. Without us, they're going to take it without us. Hmm. There's a lot of volume at 975. Does it still say we only have 30 people in here? Well, I hope the reason is everybody made all their money last night or this morning. Because there is no reason to keep this stream on if that's the case, folks. Yeah, we had several people. Great Dane, yo. We had several people from the Facebook group over here last night. That was awesome. Can you ever make enough? Can you ever make enough? What does that mean? Yes, Roland. Yes. Yes, it's the people that don't know what enough is that end up losing in the long run. I am mad at the hamsters for buying everything in front of my 47s. That is very rude of them. Bitcoin back above 75,000. Show me what it's at now. Boom. $47.25's got a pothole in it. Yeah, Isaiah, I would say you made your money. Isaiah, what size of take profit accounts do you have? Okay. And so it's nine grand. Is that the passing for a 150? And your Apex are 300, right? Man, they're just going to take this thing. And you have 10 funded and how many evals? Love it. Love it. How close are you to those take profits? If you're a person that can pass the evals on the first try, take profit trader is for you. Use that discount code. Love it. Love it. Boy, they're just going to keep running this thing higher, aren't they? Let's take a look at the volume profile here. This is gonna give us some clues here. Okay, now remember this drawing. Well, folks, here it is. There it is. That is no longer a weak new all-time high. That is a strong all-time high. Strong. Nice thing about take profit is once you make 5K in the funded, you're immediately moved to live. And that's on the 150,000, or it doesn't matter. I would just leave I wouldn't even withdraw any of it. I would just build that cushion. You know what I mean? I would just keep on trucking. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I mean that's the way that I see it. Is don't see everybody everybody strives to hurry up and get that withdrawal, hurry up and get that withdrawal. It's like, well, hold on, you didn't make any money yet. You haven't built that buffer. Like the guy that's up 2,500 and takes out 2,000. It's like, no. All right, what is the chat count at here? 34. Yeah, that's not going to cut it. Yeah, actually, those of you that are in here are probably hurting the algorithm, right? Because it's not new organics. This stupid thing won't let me split the orders. You've got to be kidding me. All right, see you, Jeff. One tick Rick, no Phil, no Phil. No Phil, no Phil, no Phil. Stops up. I'm not giving this back. He shoots, he scores. Textbook. All right, how many of you got it? It wouldn't let me split the order, so I went all in, all out. My next target would have been 54 even. Bastards. Here's how it's drawn. Let me show you what OTE looks like. Okay. Let's use this chart right here. This is perfect. Not necessarily add orders. Only if you don't have the correct leverage on would you put an add order at OTE. OTE is where do I find discount value? So let's say we want to go long, right? So we're going to say, okay, I'm going to draw it from here to here. So we say, okay, 50% is the median threshold. Where can I buy at an OTE order, which would be in discount? Andy, do you see it? So then you say, okay, on the 15-minute, it came down to 59.16.25 or lower. Where can I get in, right? This is where you go like this. Watch this. Okay, you go to the 2-minute. Okay, and you go into 59.16. And so Andy, do you see it now? Great question. Great question. Yep. It's where can I find discount, right? We figured out the PD array, right? Premium and discount, right? So where would we look for something like, let's say it comes all the way down to 09, whatever this number is, 09. Well, then the 2-minute chart will look for the draw on liquidity, removal. There's your 54s. There's your 54s. There's your second target. There's 2R. There's 2R. Yeah, bottom. If I could have split the orders, I would have went 2R on the second contracto. When can we stop going into an entry? For example, if you bought it and hit your target, then it comes back and you re-enter. Yesterday, it worked several times. When we're wide range is when you can do it more often. Narrow range, cut it as it moves in your favor 60, 75% of the way to your target? Great question. Isaiah, to me, it depends on the range and how strong the trend is. Counter trend, you wouldn't want to do it ever, because then that would be adding to a losing trade or re-entering a possible losing trade. Great question. All right. Folks, the 34 of you that are here are getting gold today. Great questions from Andy and Isaiah. And Nick, yes, I'm going to assume he did. He woke up at 2 a.m. Last night, Isaiah, time after time after time after time. Oh, my goodness. Yeah. I did too. Trust me, brother. That was painful to watch, right? It would hit our target. You could have left the order there and then gone again, right? So it brings us into when we are strong in one direction. Play with it. Be a little more liberal with it. Great question. Great question. Let's go. Andy, using OTE on the larger time frames, HTF, right? HTF. Yep, I'm saying that correctly. That's actually Grotesque Part 2 that Karen Flores starred in. Wow, did we map this whole thing out or what? Those of you that are new, go watch the Sunday night review and rev up that we just posted on Sunday night. And then watch the week before. You'll see. We nailed it. Yeah, the 5 and then the 4 on top. Correct. Yes. Injection pump went out on my truck and it's a $9,000 fix. Sounds like you need a new truck. Nothing should be $9,000 to fix on a truck. I'm sorry. All right, everybody. I cannot. The algorithm's going to destroy us if we keep this stream going. Let's go ahead and end it here. Let's jump on over into the Discord to keep this thing rocking and rolling. There's no reason to have the live stream going. All of us have the same charts. If you're on NinjaTrader and you want your charts to look just like mine, or if you're on TradingView and you want your charts to look just like mine, jump on over in the Discord, ask some questions. We'll get you lined out. Yeah, we'll see everybody over in the Discord. We got the free Discord. Jump on over. We'll see you there. Peace.